Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and helpful tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to add your Cash App card to Google Pay. This is a super handy step if you want to make payments faster and more conveniently using your phone. Whether you're shopping online or paying at a store, linking these two will save you time and hassle. Let's jump right in. First off, before we get started, make sure you have a few things ready. You'll need the Google Pay app installed on your Android or iOS device, and your Cash App card should be activated in your Cash App account. If you don't have these, download the apps and set them up quickly. It's straightforward. Okay. Step 1. Open the Google Pay app on your phone. You'll land on the home screen, which shows your balance or recent transactions. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner or look for the Payment or Methods section. Step 2. Scroll down to the Payment Methods area and select Add Payment Method or Add Card. This will prompt you to enter a new card. Step 3. Choose the option for a debit or credit card. Now, carefully enter the details from your Cash App card. This includes the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV code. Double check for accuracy to avoid any errors. Step 4. Google Pay might ask you to verify the card. This could involve entering a one-time code sent to your phone or using your device's biometric security like a fingerprint or Face ID. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this. Once that's done, your Cash App card should appear in your Google Pay wallet. You can even set it as your default payment option for easier use. Pro tip: if you run into issues, like the card not being accepted, head back to your Cash App settings and ensure the card is enabled for online and mobile payments. And there you have it. Your Cash App card is now linked to Google Pay. This simple process takes just a couple of minutes and makes managing your money a breeze. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.